Beep, beep, beep. Yeah.
Make a YouTube channel.
Huh?
You need to make a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
I have a YouTube channel.
You do? Do you post?
Yeah.
Okay, well, meet it back. Give me the channel, because I want to look. I want to watch.
I've like posted it in the group multiple times.
Okay, well, post it again, and then I'll go subscribe for you.
This guy. I've made videos for like years.
Usually I'm not the slow one.
Ah! What's going on, everybody? I'm going to interrupt the regularly scheduled program to give a little update on what happened to me at the end of the year. I actually ended up getting COVID around Christmas time, and that lasted towards the second week of January. Right after I made that video on the Daytona, the first ride video, I noticed that it had been leaking some oil. Not a huge leak or anything, just a couple drops here and there every time it sat, and I wanted to address that. And so I finally pulled it apart and kind of was cleaning everything and replacing little parts and odds and ends and cleaning everything up. This little bolt flange right here on the clutch cover had a little tiny crack in it, and so it was just leaking down to the sump and then leaking out the bottom. So I pulled that apart, getting ready to fix it, and it turns out that no power sports place near me carries European parts, so I finally got to experience the fun of owning a European bike. So I ordered a gasket right before Christmas. It was supposed to come in the week before Christmas, and I was excited to get it back going again, but as it turns out, the gasket came in like a couple days before Christmas and they never called me. But on top of that, I had COVID pretty bad, so it's not really like I could have done much anyways with the bike. But I finally got over COVID, finally got my gasket, threw everything back together. And this video that you're actually watching happened a couple weeks ago, and it's just been sitting in my software. I do want to throw this in there just to let you guys know that I was down for maybe 4 weeks, so hopefully we're getting going again. It took a minute to kind of kick back in gear, but I'm back on the bike and doing group rides again and everything. So hopefully looking forward to more content. I have like maybe 2 or 3 group rides of footage to go through and edit and everything. So hope you enjoy it. If you do like the video, leave a like and a comment, and let me know what you want to see on the channel. Do you want to see more kind of mechanical sides of the Daytona? I do have some more work that I need to do on it. Or if you want to see more group rides, meetups, this summer I definitely want to do more meets and kind of get around the Tulsa area, the Oklahoma City area, go on some bigger rides and meet some new people and everything. Yeah, thanks for watching. You want to move this?
Yeah.
Just move it up there.
This is actually where the dude bought my bike from.
Really?
Yeah. That's all I wanted.